Sali yan. Mula ka ta dili.
Hmm?
Ato maga, mukuyog ka na mo dili.
Kuyog.
Why you're laying there?
You said I'm waiting to Lisa.
Ah, you're waiting Ate Gisa?
Yeah? Liam.
Ah, you're waiting Liam and Ate Gisa.
Yes.
Going to Mualbual.
No, not Bual. Go swimming pool.
See you, Mualbual.
Not Malbual. Beach.
Oh, beach. Yan, nakasputing na ka diha. Naghabol-habol pa ka. Hida-hida pa ka diha. Let's go na.
Yeah.
It's not heavy, Liam?
He's wobbling.
Not this is heavy.
It's heavy.
This one.
That's also heavy. Let daddy to carry.
Both of them. Okay.
Let daddy to carry. Ah, you don't lock well.
You know what?
Oh shit. Oh shit.
Don't say bad words.
Lisa said shit.
Don't say bad words.
You never know.
Slowly, honey.
Here. Let me put this on the ground.
Wait.
Flip your head. Flip your arm. And carry that. Like that. Got it?
Wait. That.
Where are you going, Lian?
We're going to beach.
We're going to beach?
Yeah?
With whom? Ate Gisa and Liam?
Yeah? And mommy ring and daddy dad and Leon.
Oh. See you, Mualbual City.
And Liam Parker.
Ah, Liam father?
Yeah, too.
Ate Gisa and Liam father?
Yeah.
Liam's father?
Yeah. She going up.
Can you handle it? You want me to drive?
No, honey.
Huh?
Better Gisa, I think. You have license?
Maybe. No. License drive Mary crazy.
Na amazing, mommy. Driving. Amazing. Yeah?
Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
So, take a look, guys.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
Ay.
Which?
Ben pa ang dinner niya?
Ice cream.
You can eat them.
Yeah, it's easier to eat here than I mean I think
Nice. Si Gisa yung naghatid sa amin dito. Naarap open sabi, di ka rin mag-dinner? Ha? Berita. Okay, gutom na si eat na si Kuan. Thank you so much, BJ, sa kasakay taon ni sa iyahang new car. Siya pa yung nag-drive. So, sa From City si si Axel, si kapitbahay niya. Nice to dire. Dire lang jadi held Nice dire na mo ikaw na mong kaan. Wedding pohon. Nice here. Guys, ito kami sa Malbual Tropics. Galing sa city. Gisa daw. Si Liam. Pinaghatid namin dito. From city, sabay kami punta dito. Pero sa sa city, from city, si Axel nag-drive din dito si Gisa. Nice dito, guys. Dito plano namin i-held yung kasal namin ni Dan. Dito kasi kami sa sa Malbual magpakasal. Sobrang layo, di ba? So, sobrang haggard si Mami. Let's go, Liam! Sabihan mo magkuhan, kayo ra po doon, kansi na kayo mag-check-in, no? Magkansi kay.
Ko alam therapy me.
Ah. So sexy. Alit.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Smile. Thank
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
you so much. Enjoy your foods.
I want phone.
Adi lagi mag-phone magkaon. Hello everyone, good morning. Nakagising ko lang. Kulang sa tulog kasi sobrang ingay kagabi guys. Aso din yung pusa. Parang nag-aaway ba? Uy. Enjoy kay ka?
Yeah, I like it.
You like her?
Hey, good job.
Careful ha.
Yeah.
Pero nga makuha imong ulo. Good morning. Agang-aga. Ito arang isa. Huh? Yeah, he's more excited now. Kalaro na sila yan. Nagligo-ligo na ka, wapa ka nag-eat breakfast na. Yeah, you want? I'll just stay there, kaya magbasa kayo sa kwan. You want rice, Lian? It's extra.
That's toast?
You don't have salt?
Oh, yes.
Salt. Pwede nga asin? Pwede may asin? Asin lang asin. Good, yeah. Good for, because of the swimming pool. 2,000 is not bad.
I'm talking about breakfast. It's enough.
Yeah.
Not about that. It's enough.
The baby is so cute. How about you?
I just had it. Good.
I want white egg. That's the yellow egg. Like white egg. White egg, Mom. I want asin. Asin. Wow.
Like the picture, yeah.
Wow. You're happy?
Yeah?
Sinding na po. Mukaan, oh, finish na yung food na. I-finish na yung finish na. Kami.
Yeah. Listen.
Because you changed the clothes. I told you. Okay, finish na. Okay, we'll go na. Shower there. Okay, finish. I can eat the watermelon. I will take this out.
Oh, what?
Come here, oh. Yan. Undang na. No, karon. Let's go na. Lian, let's go na. Say 5 minutes, go faster. 5 minutes. Sinusukan mo?
Gusto lang ba?
Ano? Asin na siya?
Atin na. Bukan itu plastik na.
Maganda dito guys. Kasi malaki siya ba? Malawak. Nag-enjoy ka sa Lian tot. Lian, nag-enjoy ka nag-swimming na? Ha? Are you sure? Mag-ano na kami guys kasi magpa-schedule pa kami. Man.
Swimming?
Yeah?
Yeah.
You like swimming? Kasi magpa-schedule na kami. Let's go. Change your clothes. Take shower there, go. Go daddy. Take shower daddy. Go, go, go.
This, I can't get this.
Take shower. Lumaki yung mukha ko, lumaki din yung ilong ko. Go take shower na.
Huh?
Oh my gosh, my hair honey. Go take shower. So yan. Si Jisa. No, I told Jisa last night that I already told her we will go back to city. We'll go back to city na. Yeah, magpunta muna kami ngayon sa ano guys, sa municipal, sa mayor, magpa-schedule dito sa Malbuhal kasi dito kami magpakasal. Yeah. Sobrang layo. Every Wednesday lang din yung ano nila, schedule na magkasal yung mayor. Kasi doon sa Cebu City sana, pero hindi sila magano ng special ba? Gusto, ano lang sa kanila is mass wedding. So dito lang kami sa Malbuhal. So yesterday, si Gisa yung nag-ano sa amin. Sabay kami pang punta dito yung si Axel, yung kapitbahay. Ex-husband niya yung nag-drive. Then dito na sa kung saan kami naka-check-in, si Gisa na yung nag-ano. Parang tumaba ako guys, oh, diba? Pero pag tumaba ako, tumaba naman yung ilong ko. Ewan ko kung sino makapunta na kapatid ko dito kasi Wednesday may trabaho sila. And also, for sure si mama makapunta pero yung iba kong kapatid, ewan. So, okay lang. Intindihan ko naman sila kung hindi sila makapunta sa wedding. Ano ko. Importante, makasal ako, si Lian, yung partner ko, then si mama. Yan ang mahalaga. Hindi na ako magtampo-tampo pa kung hindi makapunta itong ibang kapatid ko. Kasi naintindihan ko kanilang situation. Yeah. So, yun guys. Ready na ako. Kasi may tumulong naman sa amin dito. Taga dito ba sa sa Malbuan. Kasama lang ako kay Gisa kasi tulungan din ako ni Gisa. Tulungan kami. Mabait din pati si Axel. Okay din si Axel. Kaya din sa partner ko. Sa fiancé ko si Axel. Kami din ni Gisa. Ganyan din kami. Yun lang. Faster! Total yan. Okay. You're okay there? It's your first time, no?
No, I didn't.
It's not your first time. Yeah. Hey, that's my sidecar.
So fast! So fast, dude! So fast!
Ah, gaman mi nagpuyo. Siguro mi nang dili magpa-schedule sa Salba.
Daddy! That's so fast! So fast, so fast!
Sakay brum brum.
Way so fast! Woo!
You like it?
That's so fast!
You like it?
Yeah, so fast, girl!
You want more? Yeah. Hey, brum brum. You like it?
Yes, I like it. It's so windy. The weather's coming out. It's window. It's on the window.
Bus. The wheel of the bus go round and round.
Round and round. Why no now?
It's your first time? Not.
That's
Without aircon? So magtiis ka because I don't like aircon. I don't like AC. So siya yung nag-adjust.
Go to the second.
Si Afam yung nag-adjust na hindi aircon. Kasi ayaw namin hindi ng aircon.
Wish. Oh,
Okay.
on the second.
No choice.
Ano ba si wow, meanwhile.
Lian's scared. Why you're scared?
I'm scared because the bus is moving.
He's scared. Kasi sobrang ano ba, yung lakas ng yung bus na paliko-liko. Natakot mo si Lian. It's like Ferris wheel, yeah? He wants to go out na. Lian got scared. Huh? Hold daddy, hug. Hug daddy, hug. Hold daddy. He's scared, Annie. He's scared.
Okay, you're right.
Yeah, just hug daddy. Natakot na siya guys yung bus ba na pag ganun-ganun na oh. Paliko-liko. You're scared? Look at him. Don't be scared. We are safe.
Okay.
Yeah. We are safe. You're scared? Okay, na-scared si daddy oh. Sa paliko-liko na yung bus, natakot na si Liam.
Oh, well, let's know if we crash.
You want to go down? No. Na, gusto na niyang muna.
We're going home.
Gusto na niyang maglakad guys.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're almost.
Wanna go in the pool? Feel safe in the pool? Yeah?
Takot na.
I push the bus.
You gonna push the bus?
Ayun.
Yeah. So,
Ate Maurice? Huh?
if you want some drink cup?
Yeah. Ay, ito Marie. Ay, Mami Maurice.
Mommy, Maurice.
Okay. I'll see you later, Mami Maurice.
See you later, Mommy, Maurice.
Ate Maylene.
At Mylene.
And Ate Gina.
At